Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another haul. Yes, another haul. And this is gonna be huge. Like, I'm looking at the stuff that I have right now. Maybe it's not gonna be that huge, but like I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So I'm just gonna dig in. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from Target. Alam niyo naman ako, lagi akong pumupunta ng Target. I only have one thing in here, but I have like 3 more in there that I'm gonna show you guys. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung plastic niyan. This is from the kids section. Alam niyo naman ako, lagi akong pumupunta sa kids section kasi dun yung may kasya sa akin. This is for 9 years old. Yes, sir, 9 years old. So, it looks like that. Oh yeah, kilikili mode. Meron siyang zipper dito. I really like this because it's cropped on me. I actually wore this when I went to the city a few days ago and I like it. I like it. Yun, $12 lang yun. I think the original price was 20 tapos naka-sale siya ng 12. So, not bad ha for a pair of jeans na kasya sa akin. Not bad at all. This, I haven't worn yet and you guys, look at this. From $18 to only $8 and this is pajama set. So this is from the kids section as well. Actually, lahat na nabili ko sa Target from kids section. It's for 10 years old, my goodness. And yeah, ganyan lang yung itsura niya. And then the bottoms look like this. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit. I should use that soon. The last clothing item from Target is this right here. And this was, I believe, only $7. It was on sale as well. And this is for 10 years old. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Yeah, it fits me perfectly. Hindi siya sobrang haba kasi nga para sa mga bata siya. So, ka-height ko yung mga bata. Why not? Next up is Supre. Ito yung favorite shop ko aside from Target kasi sobrang mura nila. Especially kapag pumunta ako ng Harbor Town kasi parang outlet store ata yun doon. And sobrang mumura ng mga stuff nila doon. Like, you guys, you will not believe. Okay, oh my gosh! I found a Tootsie Roll! My goodness, I've been looking for this. Nandito lang pala sa bag na to, Tootsie Roll. So, meron pa siyang tag. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit. But it's just a denim stretchy skirt. It looks like that. Believe it or not, this is only $2. So, less than 100 lang pesos. Nandun siya sa mga parang damage section ng Supre. And alam mo ba kung bakit siya nandun sa damage? Kasi yung color daw niya iba sa color ng iba. Like, yung color lang. Kasi yung nandun, yung zipper hindi nag-work, kaya $2 na lang. It's like a rack of stuff na as in $2 lang. This one is there. And I was like, what's wrong with you? And meron silang tag nakalagay. The shade is different from the rest. So that's why it's only $2. I was like, I'm gonna try that on. It fits me. I was like, yes. And then I got a belt from Supre for only, guess what? $1. So 35 pesos lang to. Look at that. I like it. It's just a skinny black belt with gold hardware. The last thing from Supre is the dress that I'm wearing right now. This is only $5. Bongga. Gusto ko yung Supre kasi meron sila ng size ko. Meron silang XXS, XXS, and sobrang mura din doon. So, gusto ko doon. And that's it from Supre. And then sa Harbor Town din, we went to a shop na nagbebenta ng mga bags. Pinili ko tong bag na to. It's from the Kardashian collection. Ito yung ginagamit ko na bag ever since I got it. Si Dan actually nagbayad nito. Gusto ko lang magkaroon ng bag at pumili ako ng bag. Magbabayad na sana ako sa counter pero siya nagbayad. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya sobrang laki, hindi din siya sobrang liit. Perfect lang talaga siya sa akin. I like the black and the gold. It was originally $110 and then he paid only $36 sa bag na yun. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng deal. And then from Meyer, oh my gosh, I got this sobrang tagal na. This is the instant eyeshadow, perfect eyes in just seconds, quick and easy-ish like that. So it was originally $5. I got this for only $3. I'm planning to do a video on this. I saw Tati did a video on this already. Do you guys want to see a video on that? Let me know below kasi I feel like sobrang tagal na yan dyan. Nakalimutan ko na siya. And then the next items I'm gonna show you guys are the stuff that SHEIN sent me. I thought I saw a worm. Akala ko nakakita ko ng worm. Yung ano pala yung tie ng jacket ko nasa... Okay, next up is from SHEIN. Binigay nila sa akin to lahat. This time, they sent me 3 items. The first one is this huge ass coat right here. It's such a bummer kasi it doesn't really fit me. It is already an extra small and then the reviews on the website says that it runs small. So I was like, extra small. And if it runs small, then it's double XS, diba? So it should fit me. me. It kind of fits, but still kind of baggy looking. Hindi ko alam kung mahanapan ko siya ng paraan. But yeah, it doesn't fit me perfectly. It's still too big on me. I think I'm gonna sell it, but I really like it. I really like the color. It's this camel coat right here. And yeah, I just wish it fits me because next one is this maxi dress right here. I'm gonna try this on so you guys can see how it looks like because it's just crazy right now. You can't really see. I needed to do some magic on this dress right here because it was too long on me. Tapos kailangan ko din i-adjust yung rope because it was just too baggy in the back. So as you guys can see, this is the back part. I needed to sew that part right there because it was just baggy, but all good because I know how to sew, and I do that in most of my clothes anyway, especially clothes that I order online because they're extra small. It's not extra small. This one is extra small and malaki pa rin siya sa akin. But then again, I saved it and I love it. I cannot wait to wear it. And then the last thing I got from SHEIN is this romper right here. You guys know I love rompers. This I needed to sew as well because it was too big, but it was an easy fix, as in super easy. I just needed to adjust this part right here so it's not like too long and it doesn't expose my babies. So yeah, I just sewed that part. So I just kind of folded it and then sewed it and then cut it off. I love this detail right here. Yung nandito, meron siyang pom-poms, tapos meron siyang mga frills na ganap dyan. Frills? Meron bang word na frills? I'm really into gray, black, camel, nudes. Yun yung mga gusto kong shade. Gusto ko yung touch of color niya nasa bottom lang, tapos sa likod medyo mas tamed down yung nasa likod. I love this romper. And that's everything from SHEIN. Now onto the stuff that I got from GearBest. I'm gonna start with this one. I already featured this on my vlog. I did kind of like a first impression on this one sa vlog ko. So if you want to see how I use this or how to use this, I will leave the link of my vlog below. So this is basically a face steamer. Meron siyang kasamang pouch, tapos charger because you need to charge it. On my previous monthly favorites video, I featured the mist that I used to moisturize my face kasi nga sobrang lamig dito, nag-dry yung face ko. And that one leaves droplets on my face. This one is a steam. It moisturizes my face without leaving those droplets kasi it's a steam. And I love it. I'm gonna use it right now. So when you open it like that, it will just release the steam automatically. See that? Yung steam niya, hindi yung mainit na steam. So, maganda siya. And it's just water, you know? So, hindi siya parang damaging sa skin mo kasi tubig lang naman to. You can apply toner, like 30% toner, tapos 70% water. Hello, it's raining! Can you hear the rain? Oh my gosh, paano kami pupunta ng Chinatown nito kung sobrang lakas ng ulan? It automatically stops after 30 seconds. I like this. Next thing from GearBest is this bag right here. Sobrang gusto ko tong bag na to. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, pero gusto ko na siyang gamitin kasi I like it. It's a... Sorry about that. It's a backpack. Gusto ko yung kulay niya. Parang very muted gray na may pagka... Yun, gray. And gusto ko yung hardware. Gold, pero not like in-your-face gold. Parang muted gold din. Sobrang like ko siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa loob. And yeah, love! And then, I also got chokers from GearBest. Tatlo actually yung in-order ko. And I have worn 2 of this on my vlogs already. So the first one I wore, oh my gosh, the weather is crazy right now. Hala. First choker is this one. Ito yung pinakaunang ginamit ko nung na-receive ko tong package na to. Looks like that. Meron nagsabi sa comments nung sinuot ko to sa vlog ko na that symbol is... I don't really remember. Pero I hope it's not a bad thing though. Kasi I will wear it. The chain is velvety and I like. This one I have worn on my vlog as well already. It looks like this. It's a choker. Tapos meron siyang double chain action right there. And then the pendant is just a regular ball. Yes. Sino yan? And then the last choker I got is this very simple one. I haven't worn it yet, but it just looks like that. Really, really simple and pretty. And then I got a pair of swimsuit from GearBest. This is a fail kasi sira siya. Nakakaloka. Yung top niya, hindi naglalak. Hindi talaga siya naglalak. And also, it's a bit big on me. I do not know. They said they will replace it. We'll see. But yeah, it just looks like that. And then the bottoms as well is too big. So this swimsuit is kind of like a fail. But yeah, it just looks like that. And then last things are clothing. So yes, meron ding clothing sa GearBest. O diba, bongga? The first thing I got is this one right here. Not the best quality. It's really thin. It is see-through, but you can't really tell as long as like yung undergarment mo is kind of the same color as this one or like dark color, not like fuchsia pink, you know? So okay lang siya. See-through siya, pero hindi siya ganun ka-obvious kasi hindi naman light yung color ng fabric niya. Meron siyang dalawang slits sa sides, tapos sa bottom meron siyang parang stripe na design like that. Again, hindi ko yan masusuot now kasi sobrang lamig. Parang nangang bumabagyo na nga dito. Ang lakas ng ulan. Pero yeah, malapit na mag-spring. Anyway, next dress. And this one doesn't fit me. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. I don't know why I keep getting maxi dresses. So, sobrang liit mong tao. Bakit order ka ng maxi dress? Pero like, you know, I still have hopes na siguro merong mga maxi dress there na magkakasya sa akin. Hindi ko siya mapapakita ng maayos. Tapos hindi ko din siya matatry kasi hindi kasya sa akin. Pero it looks like this. Meron siyang ganyan. And then it just goes all the way on and on and on and on. It's so long, it just doesn't fit me. Next one is a top. This one fits me, yay, because it's a top, it's not a maxi dress. It's the yin yang design, and it's just very simple, a muscle tee. So meron siyang super laking armhole right there. I can see myself wearing this with like a really nice cute bralette, you know, sa summer. Kailan pa kaya yun? And I really like this color. Like, look at that color though. And then, last thing from GearBest and last thing sa haul na to. This, I really like. This actually fits me really nicely. Like, I wasn't expecting it to fit me, but it fits me and I'm so happy. It is this dress right here. It's kind of like a poofy dress, but not really. I really like the back. Look at the back, it's an open back. The material is really thick. What I don't like, which I know I can fix easy, is the strap. It's a very cheap looking piece of fabric, but I can replace it with something fancy if I can find one and just sew a piece of fabric on that part right there. And I should be fine. But I really like this dress. It fits me nicely. It fits me perfectly. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's just a perfect length. And I wasn't expecting it to be like this good. And that's everything for this haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like. Please do like if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. I will go ahead and enjoy my Tootsie Roll. I've been looking for this for like forever. Hindi ko alam, nasa bag lang pala. Pero yeah, I will go ahead and go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget me. Goodbye.